Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking the dolphin's volumes. This gives proportion and speed. Draw a 1-3 rectangular guide and place a centered oval for the head and a tapered oval for the torso. Once done, add a thin spine axis from nose tip to tail to control posture and mark the eye 1/4 of the head length back. Make these lines light, erase easily, and keep the overall curve smooth so you can refine the flanks and dorsal placement in the next step. Now refine anatomy. Translate ovals into forms by carving the snout and throat and shaping a slim dorsal fin slightly posterior to center. You should render pectorals as flattened trapezoids that taper to rounded tips and tuck close to the belly so movement reads correctly. Pay attention to the mouth line, draw a gentle curve that meets the eye plane, and indicate the soft throat grooves with light parallel strokes. Make sure to check silhouette and symmetry, correcting proportions before committing darker lines or shading. Finish by establishing light source and applying smooth gradients, darker gray on the back, softer mid-grays on the sides, and a pale belly. Use cross-hatching or soft blending to suggest sleek, velvety skin. Add tiny, irregular spots near the head and dorsal region to hint at patterning. Once you ink or darken final lines, erase guides and boost contrast selectively. If proportions feel off, flip the drawing or view it in a mirror to spot errors. This quick check solves most balance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.